Hi everyone, welcome to EIST 6120 Current Trends in Learning Design and Technology Course Orientation video. As you may have noticed, this course is also called 8120 because the doctoral section is cross-listed and we have a few doctoral students who are part of this course. So before I give you an overview of the course, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Aisha Sadaf. I'll be your instructor for this course. I received my master's in computer graphics technology and PhD in learning design and technology from Purdue University. I also have a master's in applied arts from Pakistan. So my research is focused on promoting a learner-centered approach to instruction in varied learning environments. And particularly, I'm interested in studying online teaching and learning strategy, teacher technology education, technology integration, emerging technologies, cognitive presence, and digital literacy. I'm very excited about teaching this course, and I'm really looking forward to working with all of you this semester. So, as the title suggests, the current trends in learning design and technology. So we will be exploring some of the latest trends in the field, such as flipped classroom, learning analytics, mobile learning, 3D printing, games and gamification, and social media in education. So every week we will look at a different trend. We'll also review these trends and issues in different fields as well as global trends across the world. So it's a fun class in which we will see a lot of application of these trends in education, and we'll get a chance to reflect on our own practices within our job settings. So we have two primary goals in this course. So first, analyze current trends for their effectiveness as teaching and learning tools. And the second one is to analyze trends and issues in various instructional settings, such as P212, business and industry, higher education, military, and across the globe. So this course is an asynchronous online course that is over 5 weeks long. I have set it up into 10 topics where you are expected to learn 2 topics every week. So this way I have designed it that, you see objectives, and then you will have readings and resources, and then you will participate in discussions and finally reflect on your learning throughout the week. So the discussions are very application oriented, so you will be spending more time on the discussions. Let's take a quick look at the course schedule. As I said, we cover 2 topics each week. For getting started, I'm hoping that you all will take the time to go through the module quickly by the time the course starts, and then there are discussions and reflections each week. And if you can see, there are 2 major assignments, Reflective Journal 1 and Reflective Journal 2, and those 2 will come at the end of week 4 and 5. Discussion is the main course activity since the course is entirely online and we are missing the face-to-face element. This course relies heavily on each student's ongoing participation in the discussion. So your discussion will be graded based on the discussion rubric, which looks at the quality, responsiveness, and moving the discussion forward. So be sure to review the discussion rubric on Canvas. All discussions and assignments are due, at 11:59 p.m. on the specific due date. I have also provided some examples of discussions of good and bad discussion posts. So if you can take a look at those as well, it'll be, it'll help you produce good quality work. So discussion 1, it is an introduction discussion. For discussion 2 to 10, I have decided to do 2 to 3 groups. Since we have more than 25 students in this class, it'll be easier to discuss topics in smaller groups. So you will also be signing up to facilitate one of the discussions of your choice of topic. I have listed responsibilities of facilitators that you will see when you sign up. Once you sign up, you will facilitate and summarize the discussion for that particular week. You will be randomly assigned to one of the 3 groups, and I'll make sure that there is a facilitator for each group based on the topics you're signed up for. For reflections, you are expected to respond to 3 questions every week. It helps me understand a little bit better how your experiences with the particular week was, and it's also helps me, you know, get feedback from you about your learning. You will be working on 2 major projects that are the reflective journals. For major project 1, you will summarize 5 trends that you will read in the first 4 weeks of the course. The trends you will choose to summarize include flipped classroom, learning analytics, mobile learning, 3D printing, wearable technologies, games in education, and social media in education. For the master's and cert students, you'll be reflecting on ID trends on one of the various settings and global trends. So that's going to be your reflection too. But for the doctoral students, I would like them to write a paper, a research paper on reflecting on picking one of the trends and writing a research paper on that. So you can access the course from Canvas, canvas.uncc.edu. And once you log into the course, you'll see the course homepage. This is the screenshot of the homepage. I have set up, it has 8 menu links on the homepage. You will be able to see getting started, course syllabus, course schedule, and the course modules. Also, you can access discussion forum and learn more about me and the assignment guidelines. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or need help. There are several ways you can contact me. If you have general questions about the course, then post them in Ask the Peer, Ask the Instructor forum, located in the discussion forums, so everyone can have access to those answers. If there is something specific to you, like your course grade or a particular question about your personal project, then you should email me. And if you want to meet me in person, you can schedule a time to do that. I'm in Cato College of Education, room 277. That's all about the course orientation. I wish you all very best, and I look forward to seeing you on Canvas. Welcome to the course.